Well, here we are in the in Maine, and the Genie S40 would not start this morning, so I tested the starter, and the starter had failed. So anyway, I went to NAPA, and here's the starter. And when I got to NAPA, they were a little confused, even though I had the motor number. They kind of deal with what model car or what car. Well, anyway, they did find a number on this, and I'll share it with you. It's on the inside. Right here, it's a Ford number. It's even got a Ford logo on it. This is a Ford engine. And the whiz kid there that waited on me, he did a good job. And anyway, they got my starter, and I'm going to be installing it. And I just want to make a reference. Let me get something here. This is the tear sheet. It's one of the pages of the 32222 manual, and it states that it has the Ford LSG 423 engine. But when they weren't having any luck finding this, when they found this other number inside, it traced back to a 1994 Ford Ranger. So I wrote that on the bottom of my slip in case I ever need another motor. They don't have to hunt around. They can 1994 Ford Ranger. So okay, as far as safety precautions installing this starter, I've unhooked both posts of the battery, and I kind of clipped everything here together with red ties so I know exactly which terminal they went back to. So we'll install that, and we'll give her a test here in a few minutes. There you go, you can hear it running. All's good. Thanks for watching.